The Sony A7 Mark III has been one of the best-selling cameras in the last few years. It was released in 2018 with affordable price. Is it still as impressive now compared to new cameras? In this video, we will review the Sony A7 Mark III. Sony's initial release of this camera was a total game changer for the mirrorless camera industry. It was considered to be Sony's all-rounder hybrid camera. With a 24 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, it captures stunning photos and videos. It has impressive low-light performance with a wide ISO range, ideal for astrophotography and night video, handling ISO up to 25,600 effectively. The autofocus is very fast and accurate. It features eye and animal eye autofocus. Great for wildlife and sports photography, shooting at 10 frames per second, also suitable for landscape and portrait photography. It has impressive video capabilities with in-body image stabilization, and it also captures 4K video at 30 fps and Full HD at 120 fps, which is ideal for slow motion footage. The dual card slot is a standout feature, providing more capacity and the ability to separate video and photo files. The Sony A7 Mark III is a powerful and capable in both professional video and photography. The stabilization is very good for sports and wildlife photography and videos. This camera have impressive build quality with weather sealing for durability in diverse conditions, which is ideal for landscape and outdoor photography. The Z batteries offer incredible battery life even in extremely cold temperatures like -30°. This camera offers vast selection of lenses for the Sony E-mount system with additional great options from third-party manufacturers like Sigma, Samyang, Tamron and more. At $1,800 price tag, the Sony A7 Mark III is a top-tier hybrid camera, perfect for DSLR users seeking an upgrade to a full-frame mirrorless camera. So this is it for Sony A7 Mark III. For more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.